Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin now by confirming a couple essentials: battery above 15% and permission to access your gallery. Once set, long press an empty home screen or open settings, then tap Wallpaper to start. This is faster than hunting menus, and it gives you immediate previews. Make sure to decide whether you want the change on the home screen, lock screen, or both, because each selection alters how the image scales and where it shows up. Next, pick your image source: Samsung's wallpaper collection, a photo from gallery, or a live wallpaper if you want motion. You'll crop and position the image, use pinch to zoom and drag to frame, choose an aspect ratio such as 16:9 for landscape. Once done, preview how it looks on the selected screen. If you see unwanted cropping, adjust the zoom or switch orientation. Once satisfied, tap Done or Next to proceed because that saves your edits. Finally, tap Set as Wallpaper and choose Home, Lock, or both to apply the image. You'll get an immediate preview. Make sure it looks correct and then confirm. If the wallpaper doesn't update right away, restart the phone or check the Home app. Sometimes the launcher needs a refresh. If issues persist, clear the Home/Launcher cache in Settings or install pending system updates. This often resolves permission or rendering glitches so your wallpaper displays properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.